Look at this. Why is the...
Remember, it's the simple things in life. Either it does or doesn't feel right. It's the simple things in life. Come on, baby, let's ride.
Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Easter has a hair appointment. Say hello.
Hello.
So I'm headed to do that, and then I'll come home and try to rest a little bit before practice. Having a hard time still with my breathing. So my pulmonologist has a walk-in clinic from 8 to 11. So I may try to go tomorrow because my oxygen is just dropping too much. And it's getting to be a lot. My husband said last night, like, I was snoring, and I never snore so bad, like I couldn't breathe or something. So I don't know what's going on, but I have the sensation again where I have like the bubbles in my chest when I breathe. And I'm still debating about the track meet, and you know, it's just a lot going on. So stay tuned, and I will take you, I don't even know what I was going to say. I'll be back. Hey guys. It's like, let me see what time it is. 10:13. We just got finished eating. I made spaghetti. We didn't get home again until 9 o'clock. Tired. Sorry I have not vlogged much. I will be getting my stuff together for the clean with me's, and I'll probably just schedule them to go back to back next week. I just think that'll be easier. So what am I saying? I don't even know. That's how tired we are. Are you eating a second plate?
Go to bed.
He just got a second plate, y'all. Second full plate. He gonna be up to about 12:30 before he can go to sleep, cause that has to digest. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. So if I can get up in time tomorrow, I will try to get to my pulmonologist, but we'll see. Cause the hubby has an appointment with the neurosurgeon at 10:15 tomorrow, so it's kind of cut and close, but it's in the same area, so I'm gonna try. But I'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully I have more to do. Our post office, you can't even see. Jesus, hold on, I'm kind of scared. Look at this. Why is the rooster at the doggone post office? He got some mail in the certified thing to send off today. What kind of mess is this? But I'm finna close it though, because he's looking at me and I'm kind of scared. I want to show y'all. That's the hubby walking in. Trying to let it focus. Focus. There we go. We are at the post office. And this rooster, I guess that's his parking spot. You really can't see because of our windows. He got his own parking spot, y'all. That's the first time I done came. I mean, you know, you go to some country places and you'll see some, you know, cows and, you know, maybe some ducks walking across the road. But this is a whole freaking rooster. Early in the morning. I guess he got something to do. Good morning, guys. It is, what is today? Thursday? Thursday. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Hey, y'all.
So we're out and about early and hungry. We had to go to the post office, as you just saw our little friend in the beginning of the clip. to, check the P.O. box, as well as the hubby has his neurosurgery appointment this morning for his 6 weeks post-op. And I think we're going somewhere else before we go home. We still got to get everything situated for track when we get back. We got to get the tent schedules together, athlete schedules, all that lovely, wonderful stuff. So I will come back and sit back. The hubby's x-ray. See his cage and screws in his neck.
You take a picture of this side right here, this post, and say that's why before finish how I used to look before I got married.
What? Before you got married or whatever. Now say that to the people.
No, y'all don't know what I'm saying.
You said this was him before he got married.
Body physique, that's what I had.
In his dreams. Yeah. Why did I'm so sleepy? It just hit me like a ton of bricks, y'all. Whew, tired. So we are done running around. Headed back to the house. Do you have anything to say to the people? He preoccupied, y'all. But that's all we got going today until track practice. Hey guys, so I'm in the bed. I've been in the bed as soon as I got home. So I've been in here probably an hour. Took a half a pain pill and a muscle relaxer. And the pain in my left leg, like my right side of my body is the worst side. That's the question. Comment below. Do you guys have one side of your body that's affected more than the other? But my left leg hurts so bad to the point I don't even know right now. So my husband just rubbed my leg down and gave me an ice pack. But it literally hurts from my hip down to my toes. It's like when you get Charlie horses in your leg and how it's sore to the touch after, and then it feels like just aching going through my veins. Like it feels like my veins is cutting off my circulation. I don't know how else to describe it. So my epidural is next Thursday, so I really am praying for relief because I need it. Because I have issues with my SI joints, which normally when she would do the SI joint injections, it was better. I would get relief for about 6 months or more. But this time, because my back is being involved, my legs are going back numb. It feels like I felt before my back surgeries. That's why they're doing the caudal epidural. Oh, we have practice, Lord. It's just a lot. We have today's non-competition and competition day. We have a spirit night today or tonight. I don't have to necessarily go, but we will have new parents, and I don't want them to feel like they don't have questions to be answered, because I have parents that could take payments and stuff like that. I don't know. and it's raining, and I think that's part of it. It's raining now at our house, and it's supposed to, not be raining, or I should say there's going to be a chance for thunderstorms for a brief period on the side of town for track. I need to go to Walmart to pick up some stuff before the track meet. My husband's leaving at 10 tomorrow morning, going early. Me and Easter staying behind and getting up Saturday to go. But if I still feel this way, sorry. My alarm went off. So I'm just debating. If I still feel like this, the parents are just going to have to step up, which they've done amazing this year. Because if I can't do it, I can't do it. So yeah, we're getting gas, but this place has really good chicken and like corn on the cob for a gas station. Sorry if you can't see me. We are at the gas station, just got finished with the track. It's 8 o'clock. It's not all the way dark outside. It's just dark in the car, the van. We're supposed to go by Walmart. I'm not really sure if we're going or if I'm just going to go in the morning. Have to get a gift for one of the athletes, as well as some protein bars for the kids for Saturday. And then pretty much I plan to just rest for the rest of the day. Hold on, my husband is trying to, he wants to pump gas with the doggone car on. No, sir. No, not today, not ever. Not with me in the car. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna just do all that stuff tomorrow. Because I'm tired and we have not had lunch. We're just like running on fumes right now. My leg pain is better. I thought I was gonna have to take the other half of the pain pill, but I didn't, thank God. Me just kind of moving around a little bit more at practice, and I didn't sit like I normally do under the tent. I kind of just stayed talking to parents and moving, so that helped a whole lot. So tomorrow will be a rest day. We've got to finalize a whole bunch of stuff for the meet when we get home, hence probably why we're not gonna go to Walmart tonight too, because we've got to input all these athletes, and I got to do a lot of membership cards and stuff like that. So the life, y'all, the life. Hey guys, it's 3 in the morning on Friday, 3 a.m. Yeah, I can't sleep. I'm hurting. My body's so tired, but I can't fall asleep. And I'm so trying to figure out this whole track meet, and I'm so aggravated because I have to be up at like 7:30 in the morning. And I'm trying to get rest because we have to go to practice for like the first 30 minutes and then try to get rest. And I have to deal with Easter. I thought I heard something outside. And be up to leave. We meet at 2:15 in the morning. And I'm trying to figure, how am I gonna get any sleep? Who's gonna drive? Because my husband's leaving in the morning. Well, today. Y'all pray for me. I really, really don't know. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So we just dropped the hubby off to get the cargo van for the track meet. Sorry, there's a lot of construction going on. I'm trying to figure out how to get somewhere. So I'm headed to Walmart. Tired, of course. But I need to go ahead and get this stuff knocked out because I've got to get a lot of rest before we leave Tallahassee, to get to Tallahassee. And we're just trying to get all of that and the logistics figured out because I'll have to have Easter, and that's a new situation that's going to be a little difficult. So just pray for me, guys, and I hope everyone's having an awesome start to their weekend. Current situation: laminating track meet stuff. 4 down and all of these to go. I'm tired, y'all. I'm trying to get stuff all together and put in the van so I can take a nap until at least 4 and then head over to practice. That way I'm not scrambling in the morning to try to get stuff together. So I'm trying to get all this stuff done. I'm tired.